Hey viewers, welcome back. In this video, we're testing gaming performance on ChimeraOS running on the AMD Ryzen 8600G with Radeon 760M integrated graphics and 16 GB of RAM. We'll be going head to head against Windows 11 in a side-by-side gaming performance test. So let's see how well this SteamOS style setup actually performs. Before we begin, both ChimeraOS and Windows 11 were fully updated with the latest graphics drivers available at the time of testing. And if you want to install Chimera OS on your own PC, you can also check out the installation tutorial already available on the channel. We'll start with the Black Myth Wukong benchmark tool. Since we're testing on an APU, all graphics settings were set to the lowest possible preset at 1080p. Interestingly, Chimera OS delivered slightly higher FPS compared to Windows 11. During testing, there was also a bit of stutter visible on Chimera OS, although that was most likely caused by the screen recording overhead during capture. Chimera OS managed to pull slightly ahead of Windows 11 overall, delivering better average performance. Next up is Counter-Strike 2. And once again, because we're testing on an integrated Radeon 760M GPU, all settings were lowered to the minimum at 1080p to get the best possible performance. This time, Chimera OS showed an even bigger advantage over Windows 11. FPS regularly crossed the 70 FPS mark, while Windows 11 struggled to consistently reach 60 FPS in the same test scenario. There could be several reasons behind the performance difference, including driver optimization and lower system overhead on Linux. But overall, Chimera OS clearly took the lead in Counter-Strike 2. Moving on to Street Fighter 6, we once again lowered all graphics settings to the minimum at 1080p, keeping the limitations of the Ryzen APU in mind. Here too, ChimeraOS maintained a noticeable lead over Windows 11. During gameplay, FPS on ChimeraOS was consistently hovering close to the 60 FPS mark, while Windows 11 was mostly struggling to reach around 55 FPS under the same conditions. One possible reason behind the better performance is the lower system overhead on ChimeraOS, since it doesn't run the same background desktop elements and services typically found on Windows 11. Overall, both operating systems have their strengths. Windows 11 offers broader game compatibility, while Chimera OS delivers a more console-like Steam gaming experience with lower system overhead. And in our tests on the Ryzen APU, Chimera OS surprisingly came out ahead. That's going to wrap up this video. Subscribe and thank you for watching.